Hello, this is Andrea Cowdy from Virtualissimo, and in this video I wanted to show you how you can upload videos to your Facebook page. I'm in my Facebook page, Virtualissimo Content Strategy, of which I'm an admin. Now, if you wanted to, you can upload a video straight to your timeline through this tab, Share a Photo or Video. And when you do that, I'll show you what comes up. I'm just selecting the video from my Lumenfire video library. Okay, this is the screen that it comes up with. You can see the loading bar on the bottom. Once it's 100%, that means that your video has been uploaded. So let's look at it from the top. When you type text into this section, this will appear as the post text on your Facebook page when your video is published. So I suggest you type something in there because just to put your video up without any explanation would actually work against you visibility wise. And then you want to add the title, and as Facebook says, titles are now required. You can't really get away with not adding the title to your video. So make sure that you use something that is relevant to your content and also something that people can easily search by. So use words that would appear in your video. Now with the tags, that's also something that people can search your content with. So make sure that you add tags that are relevant to your video and to your business as well. And once you've done all these, you want to make sure that the thumbnail that appears for your video is attractive and will catch people's eye. So if you want, you can change the thumbnail from whatever Facebook suggests, whatever images Facebook suggests. Okay, I like this one, so I'm going to keep this one. But if I wanted to add one that was custom made, I can just click on this and go add custom image, and that would take me to my computer where I could pick a prepared image. Make sure that you add one, again, that is relevant to your video. So I'm going to keep it for this one, with this one. Okay, what's the next tab is captions. So this is where you can upload an SRT file, which SRT is a type of file that contains the timestamps and your captions as well. If you don't have an SRT file at this stage, you won't be able to caption your video. How you can auto caption it, we'll come back to that in a moment. So if you have an SRT file in whatever language, you can upload it here. Just make sure that you follow the instructions so the timestamps are not out of order. On the advanced tab, this is where you can let Facebook know if it's a 360-degree format video, because then Facebook will need to put it up that way. This is where you can add your UVI, Universal Video Identifier, which is basically a feature where you can add a code for your video, an asset code, if that is how you manage your videos for your business. This is where you can add a custom label as well. This is all for your own benefit. It doesn't appear in search results or anything. So it's irrelevant to that. And you choose where you want your video to appear, whether you want it to be everywhere, whether you just want it to be on your page, but you don't want it to be in people's newsfeed, or you want to set some custom parameters for how your video, or where your video appears. And the last tab is for cross-posting, which is if you have any pages added or that allowed your video to be posted to. This is where you can set that up. So once you've added a title, see if the publish button is grayed out. I couldn't even publish it if I wanted to. It says to publish your video needs a title. Okay, so let's give it a title. Okay. Just going to add a tag, content, underneath tag, yep. That's it. So I'm not going to worry about the captions or the advanced because this is just a normal video. Okay, now as you can see, the publish button has been made available. So you can publish in different ways. You can first save it as unpublished and publish it at a later date. You can backdate it, or you can schedule a post with it. Now, I just want to publish it. So I'm going to hit the publish button. And it will appear on my timeline. So you can see it's rendering. It's almost done. It's not a very long video, so it shouldn't take too long. You can already see the post and how it's going to look like. There's the title of the video that I added. And I just got a notification that the upload is ready. Okay, so this just gave me the option now to to generate my subtitles or captions. So here's my video. Excellent. Play. Awesome. Okay, so now I want to go into click that button to generate the subtitles. Because there is no audio track like speaking, apart from the music, there's no audio track. It doesn't have anything. But if it did have an audio track, so if someone was talking through the video, then it would come up here and you'll be able to generate the captions automatically. Okay, so I'm not going to save it to video because it's irrelevant at the moment. Okay. And now it's part of my timeline. Hope you found this tip useful. I will post the link to my YouTube channel in the comment section to this video. So if you'd like more handy tips on how to handle your video content, join me on my YouTube channel.